10 minutes from now.
Your alarm set for 12:45 p.m.
Okay. Hi, sorry, it's like 2 seconds later. This is just on a different channel now. So we're going to do something with this. We are going to put a bottom on it. I think we can do that. I think we should okay, we'll see first things first. I want to readjust the sleep. I can actually see me when I lean back like this. Yeah, and my hair is like hairsprayed in place. Alright, so we're gonna I'm gonna duct tape that to where it actually fits my head. And I'm going to use this duct tape. I don't know where my Easter egg duct tape is. And ouch, that hurt. You know what? It's a white sailor hat. And actually, you know what? Okay, we're gonna cut. No, we're not. We're not gonna cut anything today. By the way, for any of my followers who battle with self-harm, I know this is a touchy subject, but I read this online. Wherever you want to, whenever, just take a marker and draw on yourself. I think so. Now I have to wash that off with my interview too. I don't know if it works. I've been told that it's therapeutic. Or I've read the comments on the things that I read online. But this is better than cutting your wrist. Draw a beautiful design with a pen. Okay, back on a happier note. I don't know what I want to do. I think if I do that, I'm not going to. Okay, I swear to God, this looks like a Human Wrestler's diaper. Anyway, if we put it on the head, it turns into a nurse's head, so that's what it's going to be. Okay. I know that I probably don't have many fans. But right now, anyway, hopefully I'll have a lot more in the future. One of the reasons why I wanted to, not that, one of the reasons why I wanted to do YouTube is because I got into YouTube when I was in a dark place in my life. I had just come back from Montana. Those of you who have been watching me from the start know that I left Texas, which is where I live, with my mom and my brother when I was 17. And I came back after I graduated high school. I was bullied out of high school here. Mostly because the anti-bully system is a complete and utter joke. Yeah. It was in full effect in the school I went to in Montana. Funny story, actually. This guy was being sarcastic to me, and one of the girls in my class took it as bullying. And if you are watching, I think your name is Christina. Thank you for standing up for me. It took me by surprise because I'd never had somebody stick up for me like that I can remember. Nobody that had taken the action to go and tell the dean of women's. Because yes, there was a dean of women's, a dean of men, boys, and then a main principal. Well, back on track. It made me feel better. I spent so long trying to feel normal, trying to be normal, trying to fit in. And then you have all these YouTubers. Being normal is vastly overrated. Being normal is no fun. It's not. I mean, why be normal when you can love being you? I mean, and YouTube is definitely a place for you to let your weird out. And it's helped me a lot. And even though I'm 22, and it seems like maybe this is something that should have happened years ago, you gotta understand, I didn't discover YouTube until I was 17. Actually, that's ironic that I didn't discover it until I was 17. And the first person I actually watched was Swift Karate Chop. I watched his cover of Fuck You by CeeLo Green, which made me laugh a lot. And I started watching his videos. Ask Matt. His real name is Matt Brown. He's still on YouTube, but he does games now, I believe. I follow him on YouTube. I don't get notifications for when he uploads. He hasn't uploaded in a while, actually. So this is what we're making so far. We've made so far. I think it's going to turn into like a Sailor cosplay hat, which would be cool. I need to get more of this tape. Oh, and that's all the time we have for today. Okay. Yeah, that's about one last strip. I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, I want to finish my train of thought real quick. Because watching YouTube helped me so much, I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and I wanted to give that same feeling to other people. And I wanted to make art, art has always been there for me. Even when my world was crumbling down and I was being bullied and harassed out of my school. Okay, I'm gonna cry. um, that's what I want to do. I want to inspire people. I want to help people. I want to make art because without art I'd be lost. And without YouTube I'd probably be dead. But that's another story. I will see you guys tomorrow.